In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header in Wix. Whether you're building a website from scratch or enhancing an existing one, a well-designed header can elevate your site's appearance and make it more functional. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. To get started, you'll first need to log in to your Wix account. Once you've successfully logged in, head over to your site's dashboard. This is where you have a real bird's-eye view of your project. The dashboard is your control center, where you can manage every element of your site. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the button that says Design Site and click on it. This action will take you directly to the website editor, which is where all the magic happens. The Wix editor is incredibly intuitive, making it easier for users of all experience levels to navigate and make changes. Now that you're in the editor, focus your attention on the left side of the screen. You'll see a plus button, which is your gateway to adding new elements. Click on this Add button, and from the menu that appears, select Strip. A strip in Wix terms is a blank canvas on which you can build various sections of your website. It's versatile and customizable to suit your needs. Next, you'll want to browse through the options available. Scroll down to the Classic section. Here, you'll find a variety of footer layouts, although we're focusing on headers. It's simply a starting point. Choose a layout that resonates with your vision for the site. Although it's named under the footer section, you can use and edit these as headers. Drag this chosen strip to the top of your page. Once you have your strip in place, customize it as per your preference. You can adjust the colors, fonts, and any other design elements to maintain consistency with the rest of your website. If you have other elements already on your page, like logos or navigation tabs, you can move these to the top of your page and click Add, Attach to Header. This ensures your header isn't just decorative, but also functional, with easy access to different parts of your site. To wrap things up, after making your changes, it's always a good idea to preview your work. Click on Preview to see how your header looks in real time. Once satisfied, don't forget to hit Publish. This enables all your hard work to go live for your site visitors to see. And there you have it. Pretty simple, don't you think? By following these steps, you've successfully added a header to your Wix site. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're ready to apply your new skills. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!